Hello and welcome, Greg here from Stafford Land Rover, sharing with you today this fantastic looking and brand new Land Rover Defender 90, available here in the performance 5-litre V8 P525 model, with the exterior painted in this fabulous looking Lantau bronze colour with black accents. Standout features on this Defender will include the likes of full LED headlights with the signature shaped ring daytime running lights, as well as around the side you will find these large gloss black alloy wheels which really contrast the bronze colour very nicely. Additionally, stylishly positioned LED taillights will give your car a distinctive look, and of course you can even enjoy the likes of a panoramic sunroof up ahead. Inside the cabin things get better with loads of practical storage for the boot, and that's even before you fold down the rear seats. But the real treat here is the interior upholstery, finished here in this tan bronze here. Although a 3-door, getting in the back is incredibly easy and will offer seating for 3 as well as 2 ISOFIX chat anchor points, whilst a quick glimpse in the front will continue the stylish premium look with the cabin illuminated thanks to that panoramic roof. Plenty of electric adjustment, 14-way heated and cooled electric memory seats, but the driver can also enjoy this leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel which is even heated. Interactive drive display will allow you to customize the look of your dials as well, and you can even fully enjoy the likes of the head-up display HUD, projecting key information directly on the windscreen. In the center, the large PV Pro infotainment system is an absolute joy to use, featuring 2 menus. You can fully enjoy the likes of built-in satellite navigation to ensure you never get lost, as well as easy Bluetooth telephony allowing you to stay in touch with family and friends. DAB digital radio is also on offer, and the heated seats I mentioned earlier are easily operated thanks to the large buttons with a heated and cooling function. Climate control can also be operated in exactly the same manner as well to keep you warm for the cold winter months ahead of us. Various other vehicle functions and 4x4 technology is available, whilst a 3D surround parking camera will also ensure you never scratch your lovely bumpers, offering visibility from key areas all around the car. Whatever the weather, easy to use 2-zone climate control can be easily operated and even offers a heated front windscreen which is ideal for frosty cold mornings. Various 4x4 selector modes are also available to suit the terrain needs, as well as a wireless charger and even a cooled glove box center. Quick look overhead will also offer you this auto-dimming rearview mirror which also features a built-in camera function with easy controls for the sliding pan roof.